Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be showing you how we professionally powder coat alloys here at Smart Car Automotive. First we will remove the tyre from the alloy, and once that is done we will be checking for buckles in the wheel. Unfortunately, 2 out of the 4 wheels have buckles in, so they will be marked by our team, and once we call the customer to confirm the repair, we will repair the buckle. When we have checked for buckles, we will then be taking the alloys to the dip tank. This is so we can strip the previous finish from the alloy. The alloy will stay in the dip tank for around 2 to 3 hours. The alloy will then be removed and then placed ready to be jet washed. Once the previous finish is fully removed off the alloy, the repair process can begin. The alloy is de-aired to remove any curb damage. Once the curb damage is removed, it gets put into our specially built powder coating system. There are 3 stages to the powder coating process. Stage 1, we will put the alloy into the oven and let it go round for a cycle. Stage 2 is where we will apply the powder coating. It will then go through the oven again. The second cycle will take about 15 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, we will coat it with the second layer, which is a lacquer, to give it a gloss-like finish. This is the third stage. The alloy is then taken and cooled off naturally, and the quality checks will begin. Once the alloy is cool, the tyre will then be reapplied. The alloy is then put on the rebalancing machine. The machine figures out where the weight is required to balance the wheel. Here you can see the laser as a reference guide for our team. This is so that our team know exactly where the weight needs to go. Once it's done 2 to 3 spins, the tyre should be fully balanced and then can be reapplied to the vehicle. All of our work is carried out in-house, therefore we can offer some of the best turnaround in the industry. Powder coated wheels will maintain their finish for over a decade, which for £72 per wheel, it's well worth the value of admission, along with a lifetime warranty that we offer on corrosion and weather damage. And that's how we professionally powder coat alloys here at Smart Car Automotive. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. We have a video coming soon on a Ferrari F8 getting de-wrapped and re-wrapped, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye.